Hi, my name is Vic Murphy. This is my bike. It's red, white, and blue for America. Got Odyssey milk bars on it. They're prototype, special design that I'm working on. Odyssey, I painted white. My hymns, I customized it with some lightning poles right here. And got the Odyssey trigger on here for trigger action. Twisted pedals, because I'm not that good of a rider and they don't want to send me expensive ones. The Odyssey sprocket that I custom spray painted blue. I put this hole in my seatpost clamp for lightning, this is new and all this Odyssey stuff. Then I got industry wheels with a cassette hub in the back, and I drilled a bunch of holes in them. So 41 thermal cranks. They have a special secret technology that makes them super strong. And I got a chain on my bike. We got Odyssey race forks on this bad boy, because sometimes I like to race with kids in the neighborhood. It helps when I build my self-esteem. The bike is a Dirt Brothers. It's called a Patriot. And I painted it myself.